Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the Spendee application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee app on your device and this will take you into the sign up or login page. From here, just click on login with email. And now in order to reset your forgotten password, just click on forgot password. You will then be asked to enter your email address that you have used while signing up for your account. Just enter your email address and then click on reset password. And now you will be asked to check your inbox. So just check your inbox and you will find an email from Spendee. Open up this email and just tap on the reset password button. This will now take you into your reset password page where you can set up your desired new password for your account. After entering your desired new password, type it in once again for confirmation and then you can click on reset password and you will see that your password has successfully been changed. You can then click on OK and then enter your newly set up password to log into your account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the Spendee application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you again in the next one.